May 22nd, 2020, 8:45 a.m. Joey Kelly here in pursuit of a one-time move. I am following, although not closely because I've just caught up to it, the tender for Maine Central Steam Locomotive 470, or more specifically, the tank for it. It has been manufactured in Millinocket, Maine, and is being transported to Ellsworth, Maine to be at their yard. We are currently we're actually inside the yard, the limits of Ellsworth, and I can see it. It's several cars ahead of me, and I am trying to catch up to it. So there's your update. I have already seen it once. I'll put the picture up here shortly. And it was in Brewer when I saw it. And I want to give a big shout out to the folks at the New England Steam Corporation, and specifically Dick Glick, for letting me know that this was going to happen. And I'm very glad that I was able to take advantage of a day off from work and be able to come get this. This is really very cool. All right, and more later. There it is, folks. Strapped down upon the trailer, the tank for Steam Locomotive 470's tender in Ellsworth, Maine, just about to make the left turn before delivery. Upon arrival at the New England Steam Corporation facility in Hancock, Maine, the tender had to be positioned next to the crane in order to have it lifted off. Then, of course, it was rigged, and Mr. Glick and I were the only ones on site taking pictures or video. The crew got right to hand holding it in position, and then touchdown. And with that, the new tender is on the ground, next to the old tender used to create the new one. I've been asked, or I should say Dick Glick has been asked, why the old tender couldn't be saved. Well, when you take a look at those two pictures, you'll see that there is no floor in the old tender to save, so it would have had to have been rebuilt anyway. There's the new tender, and the old tender, and the frame in the foreground, which will be lowered on. For more information, check out newenglandsteam.org. Thanks again to the New England Steam Corporation and Dick Glick for their help in notification that this is going to happen. And this has been a JoeyKellyPhoto.com production.